Hi, I'm Julie Brumbelow, a technical director at Shaw Industries. When you have high moisture in your concrete, you will have a flooring failure. MoistureShield will maintain an ideal level, moisture vapor emission rating, or an MVR, RH and pH, protecting your flooring from moisture conditions. MoistureShield can manage conditions up to 100% RH, 12 pounds of MVR, and 12 pH. That will cover most environmental needs. MoistureShield penetrates the concrete 2 to 4 millimeters and forms a waterproof membrane in the concrete. Best of all, it works in just a few hours and is easy to apply. Your pail will cover about 1,000 square feet. First, let's set the stage for your conditions. The surface of the concrete must be 42 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The concrete surface must be clean and open. If you need to clean and open the concrete, use Surface Prep EXT, which will etch the surface to a 1 to 3 concrete surface profile. Gather the materials you'll need. You'll need a low pressure sprayer with a fan tip nozzle. As in standard practice, always use gloves and eye protection. Use a painter's mask if there is poor air circulation. You will need a brush for agitating MoistureShield into the concrete. We're going to apply in 5 steps: fill, spray, wait, agitate, and dry. First, fill the sprayer. Spray MoistureShield on the concrete surface in a back and forth motion, overlapping to ensure even coverage. Do not allow MoistureShield to atomize, as this will waste the product and reduce your coverage. Saturate the surface, but do not allow MoistureShield to pool. Wait 20 minutes. Using the broom, work MoistureShield into the concrete for maximum penetration. Allow MoistureShield to dry for at least 2 hours, or until the product is no longer visible. MoistureShield dries clear. It should be dry to the touch and will look dry. That's when you know you're ready to apply the floor covering. Clean your tools with water while MoistureShield is still wet. If MoistureShield dries on your tools, you will need a solvent for cleaning. Store any excess product in the original container. Your product will be viable for 2 years. You can even reseal the product up to 4 times. MoistureShield is not harmful to people or to the environment and can be disposed of in a standard manner. Along the way, if you need assistance, call us at 1-800-471-7429. We will provide phone assistance or on-site assistance if needed. We are dedicated to bringing you products that will save you time and money, and we want your total satisfaction with our floor covering. Thank you for partnering with us.